Arkansas State has fought their way back. They were down 24-0. Now they're down 10. They've scored 2 touchdowns, and they are outplaying the Aggies of Utah State like nobody's business in the second half. They're in the third with about 7:30 left, and it's been all Arkansas State in the second half. I don't understand that. How does Utah State, they put up 24, they're scoring every time they touch the ball, and then they just stop playing? What is that about? They look awful. What happened to that team at halftime? They all go out and smoke? They look pathetic. How do you build a 24-point lead and then you stop playing football? It's unbelievable. When is the last time we saw a team play 60 minutes? They play 30 minutes. I've yet to see a team play 60 minutes of football. They just mess around. It's true. Mike Leach is right. They don't even try. It's just a game to them, like it's a joke. It's like let's go have fun. Who cares? Let's not play hard. It's all about getting on SportsCenter. Make a couple nice plays and you're going to be on the highlights. That's all that matters. I've never seen anything like it. These games are ridiculous. They don't play for 4 quarters. They play 2.5, 3 max. They don't play hard for 4 quarters anymore. These kids are pansies. Honestly. Who stops playing when you're up 24-0? They lay down. You know they're not going to cover now. They don't even care. They look so pathetic. It's not even funny.